कर रहे हैं बड़ी खबर के साथ। दिल्ली में प्रदूषण पर रिपब्लिक भारत के सवालों पर सिरसा ने जवाब दिया है। सिरसा से सवाल पूछा गया प्रदूषण को लेकर, लेकिन रिपब्लिक के सवालों पर सिरसा
आपको इनको एक एक को हैंडल कर पाऊंगा ना, तो आप बोले आप बताए, आप सुन लिया अंदर ना
सब मैं था नहीं, मैं अंदर
अच्छा नहीं समझा तो आप दूसरे से ले, ऐसा अच्छा नहीं। अब आप
Sir,
बताइए।
you said that it's impossible to solve this issue within 9 to 10 months. Experts are saying that. You apologize. How do you see this? Do you think people would vote for this? After what you have said that it's impossible to solve this issue. Any response to that, sir? Because the situation is worsening.
Understand, please आप अपना क्वेश्चन तो बताएं। What
My questioning, you have apologized that it's impossible to solve this AQI issue. Experts are saying that this could have been if the government had the wheel. Do you think the government has failed?
who is expert that's told you? Can you name that expert? So we can at least have a conversation with them and find out. I think it is not I said it's impossible. I must again reiterate, it's impossible for any government, for any purpose. If it was been possible, then why it took 10 years for Aam Aadmi Party?
So how many years maybe? What many years?
Please let me answer your question, please. It is not about the years. It are the what steps are taken. We have to completely go with the fossil fuel vehicles. You should adopt EV vehicles, which we are doing. You need to have an end-to-end carpeting of roads, so there should be no dust. You need to remove that all dumps of legacy waste, which we are otherwise doing. So these are few changes which we have to bring in, and it will bring change in the pollution.
People are voting for Nota over AQI. Any response to that?
मैंने अभी आपके
response?
दी थी ना, पूरी इंटरव्यू दी थी।
मांगने से पॉल्यूशन कम हो जाएगा।
इस पूरी इंटरव्यू दी थी ना आपने। तो मैंने आपको पूरी इंटरव्यू दे के आया हूँ।
How do you see people?
पूरी इंटरव्यू दी है।
People are suffering from respiratory problems, lot of problems, asthma. How do you see that from people?
No, it's a big problem we are facing.
You've shifted the blame.
No, I'm not shifted the blame. No.
The government and the federal.
Aam Aadmi Party was here for 10 years. I think you must go and interview Arvind Kejriwal ji for that why they haven't done it in 10 years. If they're expecting to be done in 7-8 months, they should have done it in 10 years.
So what's next then? How do you see?
We are working on it. We'll let you know again.
तो सुना आपने कि यहाँ पर सिरसा से जब सवाल पूछा गया प्रदूषण को लेकर, तो उन्होंने आपकी सरकार पर भी यहाँ पर हमला बोला और कहा कि आपकी वजह से ये हालत होगा। इस बीच बड़ी खबर आ गई है जहाँ मनजिंदर सिंह सिरसा का आप पर बड़ा आरोप सामने आया है। मनजिंदर सिंह सिरसा ने बड़ा आरोप लगाया है, AQI बढ़ाने के लिए कचरे में आग लगा रही आप, ये आरोप लगाया गया है। केजरीवाल ऐसी गंदी राजनीति ना करे। सिरसा की ओर से प्रदूषण के मुद्दे पर आप पर बड़े आरोप लगाए गए हैं। ये कहा